At this point, having gone through some of the information, I think you need to ask yourself, do I have what I need to be a marvelous manager? Do I have someone outside of my organization that has experienced the same challenges? Do I have access to someone who can answer my questions quickly and give me solutions? Do I have the necessary management background to learn and implement new approaches? And do I have access to a confidential peer group that will provide support as I try my new skills? If you're saying maybe to some, no to all of them, yes to one, help is on the way. For everyone on the call, I will accept and analyze your management profile to help you identify your strengths and the opportunities that you have for further growth. So this evening, when we're done, I'll put up my email address. And if you will let me know that you would be interested in that, then I will be accepting those, send you a profile, and when you return it to me, I will provide an analysis back to you just for having been on the call this evening. If you're looking for more in-depth help than what you got this evening, so we just kind of an introductory course, I am going to be teaching a professional management course that's designed for healthcare professionals, and that will include 8 modules with step-by-step guidance and live interaction. Similar to what we did this evening, but more questions and answers, more time for people to really go into depth about the discussion topics. You'll have access to a midpoint mastermind session where we'll kind of stop and evaluate as a group, where are we? What do we still need help with? And I can tailor the remainder of the course to things that you feel you need more help in. You'd also have access to a private Facebook group for questions and feedback. And then you'll have access to class recordings for the next 6 months to review. During the first session of this course, we'll identify upcoming changes and how they will impact you and your team so you're prepared. We'll identify what will stay the same and how to focus your team's energy around the important thing, quality patient care. We'll identify the members of your team and their style so you can predict their response to change. You'll learn how your management style impacts the team positively and negatively, and you'll learn ways to be more effective in managing change to decrease stress and gain buy-in from your group. The total course includes, as I said, 8 separate sessions. Session 1, managing change. Session 2, communication strategies. Session 3, team building. Session 4, time management. Session 5, promoting clinical excellence. Session 6, making fiscally responsible decisions. Number 7, Session 7, tackling the really difficult problems. And Session 8, marketing yourself to other industries. Because I know from reading the Facebook pages, some of you may have even come to the course this evening by way of a Facebook page called Alternative Careers for Healthcare Professionals. So I know that there are some of you that may want to look at taking the skills you learned from this course to head out on a new career path altogether without having to worry about going back to school. Typically, the course sells for $397 when I'm working with people. However, for those of you that are on the call this evening, the price has been dropped by $200, so your cost would be $197. If you figure that out by session, a little less than $25 a session. And what do you get for the $197? Well, as I said, a professional management course, access to the Midpoint Mastermind session, access to a private Facebook group, access to class recordings for the next 6 months for review. And I'm going to put a bonus in there of one free 30-minute individual session. So if you decide that you're going to do the course, we would set up a time where we can talk privately. If you have certain challenges or things that you'd like additional feedback on, that would be our time to talk privately. Right now, I'm going to give you the link to register. and also take any questions or that you might have at this particular point in the evening. Reminders of what we learned this evening, the beginnings of change management, how to handle change, techniques for improving communication, and staff management. So we still have 5 other courses. We'll go back and touch on these in future sessions, and we'll also expand to some other topics as well. I'm going this evening because we've been on the call. I'm going to go ahead and leave the offer open so you can use the link until tomorrow evening, Friday, September the 13th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you think that you have other people that might be interested in the course, or maybe you're not ready right now, but you know someone who might be, please feel free to share the link with them as well. Thank you for your time. I'm giving you my contact information here. So that will allow you to go ahead and get in touch with me if you're on the call this evening and would be interested in doing a management survey just to see your strengths and your opportunities for growth. Feel free to do that, and I hope that you will join us for the entire course. At this time, I'd like to open if there's any questions about anything this evening, comments, certain things that you're encountering right now that you may need help with.